Okay, so last time I think we have discussed this, the plan selection one. So couple of members have done it also. Right, let's see the second one. This is also very easy. So what you need to do, you have a two drop down from station and the to station, right? So you can create an array of string and you can bind it, and you have a date. So on click of search, if all the three values you have filled, then you need to just show the value what are selected. If not, you have to show enter journey details. Let's say I select Pune, I select Mumbai, and if I select date, then if all the fields has value, then only you need to show the detail. Same detail you need to show. Okay. But let's say one of the value I don't have. Let's say from station I selected, to station I selected, but I didn't select the date. Still that validation should trigger. Now one more use case is, let's say I have selected all the detail, but from station and to station is same. This is invalid. So you need to check. So you need to show this value. So look, both the drop down area, if it is same, you need to show like show from and station to can't be same, right? On click of search, you will select it. Then if you clear on it, your all the variables means all the input elements should get clear, and the remaining the bottom text box also should get hidden. This is you have to try it. You can try it in JavaScript also, and you can try it on Angular also. Anyone like to discuss how you will do it? Because if I explain all the code, then it won't be a logic development session. Anyone, how you will do it? Sandeep, yeah, go ahead. Okay, sorry, wait. Yeah, we can unmute now.
Using reactive form.
Okay, let's see. Till now, I have not explained reactive form or template form, right? So whatever we
Okay.
have learned till now, by using that, how you will do it?
Basically, that time actually using if condition, then I will be check
Hmm,
or set the validation.
okay. So first you will create three variable, right?
Exactly.
Those three
Yes.
variable you will bind it to the different text box. On click of first button, first time when you click, what will be your first if condition? On click of search button,
If from station to station is empty or null, I have check.
this also na three variables.
Sorry, date also. Journey date.
In and if all the three variables are empty means user didn't fill any value, right?
Exactly.
Let's
Yes.
say user has filled the value, then second check, what will be second check?
So actually, second condition I have check. Uh, we have the three variables. Okay.
Hmm,
If any of actually something is actually null, then
hmm.
I have to check that only also.
Yeah, that's the validation check. Second is
Yes.
your from and city, from and to can't be same, right?
Exactly. Sorry.
Right. So
And
second
get the
check
value.
should be if this variable and that variable has the same value or not. If not, then you need to show the value. So how you will show and hide this value? When you select this, I'm showing whatever the values you have selected, you need to show that at the bottom. What will be the condition that you will show and hide this? Anyone
Um,
else? Three variables you will create
Indeed.
to respectively bind this text box element, correct? On button click, first if condition will be where you will check if all the values are there or not. Second condition, if all the values are there, then second condition will be if from and to variable values are not same. Then if values are not same, then only you need to display this. So how you will display this? Hmm. When you have to
NG if,
display this, yeah, go ahead.
NG if conditions.
But what? That condition only I'm asking. What condition?
the data is not null. That time we show it. Okay, show it.
But see that on the page load, am I showing this?
No. Initially,
Let's say if I select all the values, okay, still it is not visible. On click of search only it is coming, na? So how you will show that once I click on the search button? Or you
using
will,
ternary operator.
you will create a variable and you will have two if condition. First if condition just to check all the values. Inside that again one if condition just to check both the values are not different. If both the values are not different, then you will change one flag to true. If that flag is true, then only you will show that bottom div. You will need one extra variable who will decide when to show that, and that variable you will make true if both the conditions are true. Understood?
Yes.
Right? So see, it was a very simple task, but I don't know like if you are not paying attention or what, but this was expected. Okay, hope everyone has got the solution what I just said. Okay, movie picking is little bit hard. Let's try the simple one. Hotel order we can do. This is very simple. So you have to show the what number of items you have in your hotel like that, and what number of items you have shown same will come into the drop down. If I select tea, if I enter 2, add. So see, tea, what number of quantity? 2. I select coffee, I need 1 coffee. Okay, and if I click on calculate, I get the total amount. Simple. Anyone, how you will achieve this? How many variables you will need?
So three variables with their price stored in it.
3 variables for
Tea, coffee, and sandwich with the price stored in it.
price stored on. Okay, means tea price, coffee price, and sandwich price, like that. Correct?
Sandwich price, yes,
Okay.
yes.
Then
Uh, so if the user enters item and the quantity and clicks the add button, you have to check if the value is
yeah, validation.
you have to validate,
Hmm.
and then we have to multiply it and store it in another variable for a total bill amount.
Right? Array.
Yes.
Correct? So this is
Yeah.
nothing but you are storing into an array. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is one solution. Anyone else thinking of something else? He said he will create 3 variable for storing the price of it, and again 2 variable for this two also, right? One. You will need
Yes,
two
sir.
more variable for this also.
Yeah.
And one variable for storing the added item. So
And
total 6 variables. Anyone else like to think something else? How you will do it? Chandramohan has said like his ways. How you will do it? So instead of creating 3 variable, you can just have 2 variable. This one, and you will store the object. But you know, right, what values you have. So you can hard code it also. Instead of keeping it in a variable, whenever you are multiplying based on the type, here you get the type. Is it a tea? Is it a coffee? Or is it a sandwich? So you will have obviously if and else, right? So there also you can directly multiply it instead of storing that value price into a variable. You can do that. That is one more way. But let's say if I ask you, currently we have 3 items, but next day I want to show 4 items. So that hard code, your HTML will also change and your code will also change, right? So how you will solve that issue? Today we have to show 3 items, but next day I'm saying I need 4 items. Then again you will go back and change your code. So how you will,
We can have array of
right?
items and price
We can
relevant
have array
to
of
it.
item.
Then, yeah.
So this top UI will be also dynamic. This will be also dynamic, And price also you don't have to hardcode or somewhere. So you will create array of item name, item price, item name, item price. That will be very easy now. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Clear everyone?
Yes.
So just like this grocery list also same. I think same scenario I had it over here. So here you can see T is already selected. If I select T again and if I add 5 quantity, now let's say earlier I wanted 2, but I'm changing my order. I need T5. So on click of add, you can see one more item not adding. I'm just changing the quantity. So here you need to check if the quantity, if the item we are adding is already exist, then we just need to update the quantity. You don't need to add one more entry for that item. Okay. On click of clear, you need to empty this array and you need to empty the that total also. Fine. Again, same thing. What we did it over here. Here on click of search only we had to show that button. Just like that same here also. And once you click on the button, then only you need to show that type amount. See. Okay. On click of calculate only I need to show. So here also you will need that one variable. If when user click on calculate, then only we need to show the amount. Okay. This is also almost same. But here UI is something different. You have to show it in the table. Okay. Let's say turmeric. I need 2 kg. Okay. Let's say sugar I have already added with 2 quantity. Now again if I am adding sugar, now 3 quantity. So my quantity should increase. Okay. So it is almost same. In to-do app we have already seen student registration. What was it? Here we have some rules. It's a simple student registration form. So we have first name, middle name, and last name. So what tasks are there? Means what things we have to achieve is already mentioned over here. So if I'm typing, see my full name is getting generated automatically. Okay, this is the first task. Whenever user is entering first name, middle name, last name, your full name should get auto generated. Then second, if I'm selecting other, then my other text box should be visible. If I'm selecting the designated task, that should get hidden. That is second task. 10th, 55%. 12th, 75%. Graduation, 60%. See the average of it, 63. So whatever the value you entered into this, I need to show the average over here. Okay, that is the third task. Fourth, I'm adding a mobile number, 8698. Okay. Now once I click away, so see your registration number is something unique. So what is the logic for registration number? Your first name plus last 4 digit of the mobile number. That will be your registration number. So this is the fourth task. Clear everyone? Okay. So for now, like let's say if you don't know template of the reactive form, so create different variable and achieve this. Anyone having any doubt? Again, this is very straightforward. Okay. Then identity proof selection. Now here you can see we have a drop down where we have Aadhaar card and the PAN card. So if you select the Aadhaar card, here you can see select Aadhaar card is getting the placeholder. So this text box placeholder is also dynamic. If you check PAN card, see placeholder is also dynamic. So how you can make the dynamic placeholder? Based on the selection of the first drop down, your second text box placeholder is changing. How you can achieve it?
Attribute binding.
Right, obviously placeholder, square bracket placeholder. So here you will
Yes.
check if the selected value is equal to Aadhaar card, then this, otherwise other ternary operator you will use. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. Then if I'm selecting the Aadhaar card and if I'm providing the value, on click of validate, you need to validate. If user has selected Aadhaar card, then whatever the value you need to check. Aadhaar card is like, regex you can get. Regex for Aadhaar card. And in JavaScript, you have a test method which will let you to test the Aadhaar card. So let me opening a JavaScript. So case, so I'm storing where Aadhaar regex. In single quote or double quote. Let's try it in single. Now I need to test the value if this whatever the value I have entered, does it suit with my Aadhaar card or not? So Aadhaar card dot test is there. Why test is not coming? Stop. I think directly we need to store. We don't need this next time. Or new regex something here. New regular expression, wrong bracket, regular expression. Then other regex dot see now that test function is coming. ABC something value I'm passing. I'm getting this. What was there?
Before, yeah,
So I'm getting false. Let's try the valid Aadhaar card. 112233445566 is the valid one. I'm getting false only, so Aadhaar card is this is not the correct one or what? JS regex or Aadhaar. Like this. Aadhaar regex dot test false only I'm getting. Does it need a valid one only or what? 16 digit only, na? Okay, I think we cannot pass something like this. It needs a proper. So for this, you can see we are getting Aadhaar card true. Means because this is a valid Aadhaar card, so we are getting true. If you pass something, let's say one character also you are passing, you will get it as false because this is not a valid Aadhaar card. It needs 16 digit number, again some sequences I think there. Okay, so that is your how you check. Just like that for PAN card also we have a other regular expression. Regex for PAN card. So this is the PAN card regex. So PAN regex dot test. Now you can pass some value. Let's pass the wrong value. It will say false. Now let's try. PAN card is like first 5-digit capital, 4-digit, and then one paragraph capital. So see, you got. So this is how you test if the value is valid or not. So same logic you need to put it over here. Okay. So on Aadhaar card, on click of validate, you need to check if the type is Aadhaar card. You need to test it with the Aadhaar card regex, whatever the value is user. If it is PAN card, you need to test it with the PAN card regex. Okay. Again, this always be Google. Doesn't matter people, someone has 20 years of experience, he is also going to Google this only. No one is going to remember this. Okay, so we have to Google this regex. Clear? So all these tasks are will help you to write your events. Different events are there. Different if and else condition. Right? Somewhere property binding you have to use. Ternary operator you have to use. So just to get hands on the basic thing, whatever we have done till now. Okay? So just complete this task. Very basic one. Again, we have not this movie booking. I didn't explain yet now. First, complete this. These are the basic one. Once you are stable and you are able to complete this, then movie booking I will explain again. So why I'm not showing the code right now? Because if I'm showing the code, it is just like pravachan thing is happening. I'm only writing everything. I know everything. I don't have to write. You are the people who have to check it and write it. Once you face the issue, at least you try it. Then I will have something that, yeah, let's say Chandramohan said like this. No, we cannot do like that. We have a better way. Then I can come up with something. But if I am only just explaining the optimum solution, then that won't help you any. You have to try something. Let it be a long way or anything. It should come from your mind. Then once I explain the next, yeah, I would do like that. Then you will understand, yeah, what I did was also correct, but this is a better way. That is how you improve your logic. Okay. So everyone, those who wants to really improve, please complete all this. Then we will do one more session, and there I will do one by one in front of you. Okay. Yeah. Anyone having any questions? Okay. If no one has any question, we can stop. Okay. And tomorrow we will connect. So tomorrow, like we will start our what do we say, reactive form, as we have completed our template form. Okay.
Chetan, do you take any session how to debug, looking at the console
Yeah,
and
we
all
will.
that?
We will take once. Let's just wait for 1 week. We will complete our API integration properly. Then we will take that one session. Okay, how do you debug? How do you backtrack? How do you move ahead, forward? You know,
Okay, thanks.
that we will check. Okay, fine then. Thank you all.
Yes, Chetan.
Yep.
So, can I share my screen?